The Hero Classic 125 2025 is a refreshing new addition to Hero MotoCorp's lineup, positioned to tap into the retro-modern motorcycle market while delivering on the brand's promise of practicality and efficiency. Blending nostalgic styling with modern technology, the Classic 125 is designed to appeal to both young riders seeking vintage aesthetics and seasoned enthusiasts looking for a reliable, stylish commuter. At first glance, the Hero Classic 125 catches attention with its retro-inspired design. The round LED headlamp, teardrop-shaped fuel tank, and chrome accents evoke memories of classic motorcycles from the 70s and 80s. Hero has done a commendable job integrating these old-school elements with modern finishes, including contemporary graphics and premium paint options. The bike also comes equipped with a semi-digital instrument cluster that balances analog charm with the convenience of digital readouts for speed, trip meters, fuel level, and more. Under the tank, the Hero Classic 125 is powered by a refined 124.7cc air-cooled, single-cylinder engine. It produces around 11 bhp and 10.5 Nm of torque, mated to a 5-speed gearbox. Hero has tuned the engine for smooth city riding and fuel efficiency rather than outright performance, making it an ideal choice for daily commuting. The i3's idle stop-start system, which Hero is known for, helps improve mileage by shutting off the engine during long halts and restarting it automatically when the clutch is engaged. This feature is especially helpful in traffic-heavy urban settings. The ride quality of the Hero Classic 125 is focused on comfort. With telescopic front forks and dual rear shock absorbers, the suspension setup is tuned to absorb bumps and potholes effectively. The upright riding posture, wide handlebar, and well-cushioned seat enhance rider comfort, especially over longer durations. It's also quite accessible for new riders thanks to its manageable curb weight and low seat height, offering confidence in tight city maneuvering. Braking duties are handled by a front disc and rear drum setup, supported by CBS combined braking system to improve stability during sudden stops. While not equipped with ABS, CBS does a good job of providing extra safety in this segment. The Classic 125 rides on alloy wheels with tubeless tires, which add to both the visual appeal and the practicality by reducing the risk of sudden deflation. Hero has paid attention to the small details with the Classic 125. The switchgear quality, fit and finish, and design cues all reflect a step up from previous offerings in the segment. In terms of features, you get USB charging, a side stand engine cutoff, and an LED tail lamp, thoughtful touches that reflect modern-day rider needs without compromising the bike's retro theme. What sets the Classic 125 apart is its positioning. It enters the market as an affordable alternative to the more premium 125cc retro-themed motorcycles like the TV's Ronin or the Yamaha FZX. Hero's extensive dealership and service network further strengthens the value proposition, ensuring support and availability across urban and rural areas alike. In conclusion, the Hero Classic 125 2025 stands as a well-rounded motorcycle that blends the charm of the past with the conveniences of the present. It's not a performance machine, nor is it trying to be a status symbol. Instead, it offers a reliable, efficient, and stylish option for riders who want everyday usability without sacrificing aesthetics. Hero has managed to craft a bike that is emotionally appealing yet rationally justifiable, a combination that will likely strike a chord with a wide spectrum of Indian riders.